Hello, my name is Ricardo, and since a few weeks I'm the proud owner of this nice little place in Pangani, Tanzania, on the Pangani Cliffs Lodge. As we are in a remote area and we are off-grid, we decided to invest in a good solar system to provide enough energy for our guests, for the kitchen, and all the stuff things we have to do. And as we were recommended by someone to go to Photons Energy in Arusha, we decided to make contact with them. And I was happily surprised that Thomas Richard was responding very good, very quick, and together we managed to make a good system and providing all the energy we need. And now today, after only 6 days, the team has managed to make a very good system, which is, well, looking marvelous. We have 20 panels here and we have 4 batteries. So for us, it means that we can rely on this system for the future. And we are very grateful for the effort the team has done. And hopefully we don't have to call them that much for all other things, unless we want to expand. So thank you. On a place like this, where the electricity is just not good enough or not even in place, so you're off-grid, and you want to have enough energy to run your business and provide enough energy to have good lights and to have places for your guests to charge their phones and to run the fridge and the freezer, I would certainly recommend to take contact with Photons Energy in Arusha, as they can really help you in a good manner to come to a system which fits you.